Hey, what's up, guys? This is Donnie, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, when we come back, it's mail time, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, guys. Hey, today I got a couple packages here. I'm outside. Looks like it's almost ready to rain, so I kind of wanted to just do one more outdoor mail time here, or at least the first time outdoor mail time before it does rain. That way I can get out of the house for a minute. So kind of getting over a bad cold, and unfortunately I'll be having another surgery on my hip joint soon, so I will be down for a little bit, guys, but hopefully for not too long. So that's not scheduled quite yet, but I'll definitely let everybody know, so in case people are wondering where in the heck I disappeared to. So alright, guys, first one I'm going to do, this one's actually from RC Moment. So we're going to open this one here. I can always tell because it's THL, and it says Tom Top Technology. So alrighty, let's see what we got here. And I apologize if there's any loud sound like tractor wise, because they are doing the brush cleanup right now, so he might be back, so I may pause you. Alright, cool. Alright, guys, if you guys see this, you'll kind of know what this is right here. And this one is Cool RC's version of the Hex drone, the JJRC Pro 3 Hex drone. So this one's Cool RC's version. So if you guys could see this, it's right there. So expect a full review of this one. Hopefully the weather won't be too bad, so I can't wait to kind of check this one now. So this one should be pretty much identical to the JJRC version. So we got flight protection, we got return to home, plug-in aerial photography device, which camera. So it's supposed to be at 1080p, I believe. Let's see, FPV real time. So it's got 5.8 gigahertz, which is oh, actually no, this one's Wi-Fi. This one is, I believe, the Wi-Fi version. This is Wi-Fi version, guys, so apologize for that. You got 2.4 gigahertz for the antenna. Yeah, it's the 1080p, and this one has a 7.4 volt 2000 milliamp battery on this one. So yeah, I can't wait to open that up. So we'll stay tuned to that for that one, guys. So have that one coming up shortly here, I hope, or at least an unboxing. Let's check out what we got from Amazon. This one is actually from Cheerwing USA. So they sent me a drone, which was pretty awesome. I can't wait to check it out. I believe it is a Cheerson. Oh, it's a SEMA, which is pretty much, they're both the same thing. Cool. Cool. I really needed one of these. It's the SEMA X5 SW. Not a big fan of the Wi-Fi, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to use that or not. This one here has headless mode. It's got 360 flips, and of course it's got the 6-axis gyros, HD camera. So I don't think this has altitude hold, which is awesome. I really didn't want altitude hold. I wanted just a stock old SEMA X5C, but this is an X5SW dash V3. So can't wait to check that out. It does say Cheerwing on it, so they did put their trademark on there, guys. So I can't wait to try this out. It's been a while. Mine had over 300 or 400 flights on my original X5C. So finally the ESCs, I believe, or the flight board finally went kaput. So now it's time for a new one. So I'm so glad they sent that. So alright, guys. Hey, stay tuned for that. And you know, there'll be plenty more to start off the new year. So alright, guys, like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying.